Hello, this is O-Levels Accounting by Snip Finance, and I am Smart. In this lesson, we are going to see that why do we calculate profit or loss? It's obvious. We're doing business to earn money, so of course we want to know what the profit or loss is. But that is not the only reason. There are many reasons why we measure profit or loss. We want to decide how much money we can withdraw for our own personal use. So let us continue with our example of a pizza restaurant. Let us take two scenarios. One in which we have a profit of 100 million and another in which we have a loss of 100 million. Now, in case we have a profit for 100 million, how much money can we withdraw for our personal use? A lot. Maybe we can withdraw the entire 100 million. But again, is it wise to withdraw 500 million? No, of course not. We have earned only 100 million. It would not be right to withdraw 500 million from the business. So the calculating profit has told us whether we can withdraw any money for a personal use, and if so, how much can we withdraw. On the contrary, in case of a loss, we of course cannot withdraw any money. Our business has already suffered a loss, and withdrawing more money would only cause business to be in even more trouble. So we saw that the first reason we are able to decide how much money we can withdraw for our personal use if we calculate profit or loss. Now let us assume that we want to buy a new pizza oven and it costs 20 million. In case we have a profit for 100 million, yes, we can afford a pizza oven. But of course, we won't be able to afford 10 pizza ovens. But then again, we can afford one. However, in case of loss, we cannot afford any new pizza oven. Now, calculating profit or loss has enabled us to understand whether we can afford pizza ovens, and if so, how many we can afford. So, measuring profit or loss helps us decide how much money we can reinvest in the business. Now assume that we borrowed 50 million from a friend for our business. Can we repay? In case we have earned a profit of 100 million, yes, of course. But in case we made a loss of 100 million, of course we can. We haven't earned anything. In fact, we have made a loss of 100 million. How can we repay our friend 50 million? So no. So calculating profit or loss also shows us whether we can pay off our debts. Now we also calculate profit or loss to measure taxes. So let us assume that we have to pay 30% of our profit as tax to the government. In case our profit is 100 million, we have to pay 30 million in taxes. But in case we make a loss, we don't have to pay any tax. In fact, the government may even give us some money to support us. So we measure profit or loss to calculate taxes. Now let us assume that we want a loan from bank for our business. In case we have made a profit of 100 million, the lender will probably be willing to lend us more money. Why? Because lender is mainly concerned with our ability to repay, whether we will be able to pay back their loan or not. Profit is showing that yes, our business is doing well. It also indicates that we will continue to perform well in the long term because we are already making profit. We'll make even more profits in the future, and therefore bank will be reasonably assured that yes, they will be able to repay our loan. So yes, the bank probably will lend you money. However, if you are making a loss, then bank would probably not be willing to risk lending you money. So measuring profit or loss is also important to obtain credit from lenders. Now let us suppose that we took money from an investor, maybe a friend or a relative or someone else, to start a new pizza restaurant, and then the deal was that they would get 20% share in whatever we earn or lose. Now in case we earn a profit of 100 million, we will pay them a share of 20 million. Investor will be happy and may be even willing to invest more money in the business. But if we actually make a loss of 100 million, the investor also loses 20 million of his money. Now investor will be upset and may even ask for his money back. We may even have to close down the restaurant to pay them back. So you see, Measuring profit or loss is important to keep investors happy and to attract even more investors. Now let us assume that we have an opportunity to open a branch of our restaurant in another location. In case we are making profits of 100 million, since we are already making profits, it would give us encouragement to take even more calculated risks. So probably we would be willing to risk opening another branch to earn even more. But if we are already making a loss of 100 million, we would probably not be willing to risk even more money. So our answer would be probably be no. So measuring profit or loss also encourages entrepreneurship. If we are making profits, we would be willing to take more risks. If we are not making profits, we would probably not be able to take that much risks. This is also our lesson summary. Thank you for watching. This is Net Finance. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and like our Facebook and LinkedIn pages, the links of which are in the description below. Thank you.